Overwhelmed by your finances and wondering if there's a better way to manage your money? Today, we're diving deep into Monarch Money to see if it's the budgeting and financial planning tool you've been searching for. We'll cover its key features and pricing, so you can decide if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First, let's look at the core functionality. Monarch Money excels at automatically linking to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. This gives you a complete, real-time view of your net worth. Next, it's budgeting. You can easily set monthly spending limits for different categories like groceries, dining, and entertainment. The app tracks your progress and alerts you if you're about to overspend. Creating rules to automatically categorize transactions saves tons of time. Beyond budgeting, Monarch Money offers robust investment tracking. You can see your portfolio performance, asset allocation, and even compare your returns to market benchmarks. A standout feature is collaboration. You can securely share your financial data with your partner or financial advisor, making it easier to work together on your financial goals. Now, let's talk about cost. Monarch Money isn't free. It operates on a subscription model. Check their website for the most up-to-date pricing as it can change, and compare it to other budgeting apps and their free tiers or paid models. So, is Monarch Money worth it? If you're looking for a comprehensive tool that simplifies budgeting, tracks your investments, and allows for easy collaboration, it's definitely worth considering. The intuitive interface and powerful features can save you time and help you gain control of your finances. But ultimately, the decision depends on your individual needs and budget.